Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Green. You're tuning into AMTV Alternative Media Television. Please click the link below to support our sponsor, EarthCom. That's earthcom.com. Protect yourself and your family from electromagnetic radiation. It is all around us. Click the link below right now. So I wanted to give an update on the Donald Sterling race baiting fiasco that has been promoted by mogul media personalities like Oprah Winfrey, who are now, by the way, as the latest reports have broken, as I said yesterday, have ulterior motive and are actually considering an acquisition of Donald Sterling's team at a massive, steep discount as a result of the Reverend Jesse Jackson race-baiting tactics that makes up America today. Whether or not this is the George Zimmerman, Trayvon Martin stunt, that was used by the black mafia in order to create a race war here in the United States of America. Comments touted by the President of the United States, by the way, who instead of focusing on geopolitical issues and economic issues, as he's been visiting Ukraine and a full frontal confrontation in that part of the world, instead has time to make comments to bait, again, these very an emotional situation here in the United States. It brings up a lot of historical context and a lot of pain and suffering. And again, as I said in the video yesterday, in no way do I approve of the comments that Donald Sterling had made. I think they're deplorable. I think horrible statements. And he should be ashamed of himself for being recorded in that fashion. But what it proves, America, is that Americans love a scandal. They love it. They love TMZ, and TMZ can ruin you. And, of course, there's ulterior motives behind this now with reports leaking, now very much in the public sphere, that media mogul Oprah Winfrey, David Geffen of DreamWorks, and Oracle billionaire Larry Ellison are now just conveniently interested in buying the team at a massive, steep discount. Again, all a part of this really stunt, this publicity stunt, of which the girlfriend of Donald Sterling will be also profiting in the millions. And again, it just goes to show you that Americans love illegal wiretapping and they love TMZ. And this is the bullshit, politically correct society that we live in today in the United States of America. Again, instead of focused on the real issues, we have a president here in the good old USSA who feeds in and baits into the race war. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if Obama, the president himself, had an economic interest in the acquisition of this team. In fact, who knows? Maybe he's being paid off by Oprah Winfrey and these other race baiters as a part of the deal. Again, all of this about economic interest, all of this about a divide and conquer strategy here in the United States of America that is working beautifully. And it just goes to show you that you can be extorted, you can be wiretapped illegally, blackmailed, and it's all good in this culture. It's all good in the United States of America. Again, the American people care less about an NSA surveilling them 24/7, listening to their conversations, recording every data and text message so that it can be used in a court of law against them. Could care really two shits about that, but care about the race-baiting publicity stunt that makes up the Oprah Winfrey, Larry Ellison, Geffen acquisition of the Clippers and this war, this divide and conquer strategy we have in the United States. Again, you heard it here first. I told you there was an ulterior motive, and there sure as hell is. And now these people are going to profit immensely from it. I'm Christopher Green. Get it out everywhere, make it viral, and click the link below to support our sponsor.